That is the formula for economy. We said an increase in economy's value leads to increase in economy's value will lead to a bad economy. Okay, and a decrease in economy's value will lead to a good economy. Okay, so we want to have this equation rewritten. G is IP over E. E is equal to per disperser times volume plus G. What is G? IP over E. IP divided by entrepreneurship. E. Okay? That is what we know. Okay? IP plus E. So let's clear this fraction. Okay? How do we clear it? To multiply through by entrepreneurship, by E, big E. So economy times E will be equal to per disperser times V, which is PFDV times E, which is E times PFVD, PFDV. Per disperser is something on its own, volume is on its own. Okay? Then plus IP. This will be the correct one. So to get economy to stand alone, okay, to get economy to stand alone, sorry, we have everything written now right now. E times E, we'll be having E, economy E, okay, equals PFDVE, okay, V is on its own, PFVD is on its own, so you should understand that IP plus IP. So this will be having, let's clean this please. Let's clean it thoroughly. Okay. So we'll be having that all right reserved. Okay. So we'll be having this work right now. So what we do right now, we have to divide both sides by we want to collect like terms right now. E is here, entrepreneurship. Let's collect like terms. We'll be having E plus minus PFDVE will be equal to high P. This equation is cumulative, so high P can be equal to these two. Okay, so high P is also equal to E big E minus PFDVE. Good. So what do we do right now here? We collect like terms. We factorize big E out of the equation. IP becomes rewritten as you have to bring big E out. We're having big E small e minus PFDV. Okay, so this will be the new form of the equation. So we have that, we have this already written. So let's make E standalone, entrepreneurship standalone. So we know if entrepreneurship can actually help us check inflation. So we want to note that right now, if entrepreneurship can help us check inflation. So let's let it stand alone. So how do we do this? We have to divide both sides by E minus PFVD. So when you divide both sides by E minus PFVD, we'll be having E equal IP divided by E minus PFDV. Okay, this is the new equation. So right now, this equation will tell us if entrepreneurship can help us check inflation. Like we said, for us to have inflation checked, we have to reduce greed to the least level. If greed is reduced in an economy carried by the leaders, it's going to lead to, if greed is reduced, it's going to lead to an increase in entrepreneurship, which will then lead to a fall in prices of goods and services. So that will check inflation properly. The first equation tells us that. And the second one we have here right now, we want to know if entrepreneurship can help us check inflation. So let's check it right now. Proportionality, increase in entrepreneurship, which is directly proportional to IP, will lead to an increase in price. Okay? Increase in entrepreneurship can lead to an increase in price. Increase in entrepreneurship can lead to an increase in price, as you see it right here. Increase in entrepreneurship can also lead to increase in price. So right now, what do we do? How do we use entrepreneurship to actually check inflation? Because entrepreneurship is something that we practice. So how do we use it to check inflation? For us to use entrepreneurship to our favor, otherwise increase in entrepreneurship can lead to increase in price. It can. So to check it right now, we have to for entrepreneurship to fall, if a decrease in entrepreneurship will lead to a decrease in price and an increase in this value. So for us to use entrepreneurship as a weapon, okay, we need to increase this value. This value needs to be increased, because if this value is increased, okay, increase in price is going to come down and it will lead to corresponding decrease in entrepreneurship. Okay, this is a bit crazy. This year it gets crazy. So right now we want to go into the next phase of the formula, and just stay connected. Okay, so let's rewrite this right now. E equals IP divided by economy minus PFDV. PFDV. Okay, so